Hi guys, Cheesecake here. Today we'll be playing Get a Snack at 4 a.m. I am an experienced... Oh, hi Flamingo. I am an experienced player, so I have not all of the achievements, but I only have what looks like 1, 2, 3 left. So, at the moment I have chips, sleep, toothpaste, shoplift, fire, and orange. What, you don't know why orange would be an ending? This is why orange is an ending.
Hey, yo, it's Azo, back again with another gaming video. Looks like we are going to play a game called Get a Snack at 4 a.m. Oh,
And then you can't
it's not at 3
move.
a.m. That's when all the creepy stuff happens, right? Okay. Welcome, Tutti Frutti 9000. Well, thank you. I appreciate it. It's me, your self-conscious. Not con-
So yeah, anyway, let's see what else there is there. No, I cannot get into here. Yes, I can. Can't turn the TV on. That's not nice to know. Wait. Oh yeah, it's 4 a.m. on the clock. No, this isn't what my player looks like in real life. I will try and remember to show you at the end, but you're always a noob in here. So if I go into here... Yeah, look, he looks a little... He doesn't look like John Doe, but he looks a bit like John Doe. Watch this. He doesn't say anything because I've done it many times. In fact, I think I need the orange juice. How much is the orange juice? I think it's 21, 15, 21. I have 12, so. Oops, I forgot to place. 30. So I'm just gonna go around collecting the money, pick up Robux. I have 22, I just need less than 10 more. I have 34, that's more than enough. Okay, so I've got the orange juice. Why is this car so small? This is the cashier's Honda. I think it's Honda. So anyway, let's pick up some ticks. So anyway, let's just sneak into the bathroom where for some reason my dad is sleeping. Don't know why the dad sleeps in the bath. Doesn't even look like he's sleeping, but he is. I don't want to pick up this gun because 1, it takes so long, and 2, I've seen it on a YouTube video. Someone spent all that time holding the button down, and you know what it said? It wasn't even a real gun. Lol. Also, I'm really frustrated. I know that's a carpet. place the drink there. You already know what I'm going to do because I went to pick up the toothpaste. I'm going to have some Colgate toothpaste and I don't want to tap too much because if I tap on my screen while I'm holding it, it'll like...
Nom 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 nom. That was delicious.
You probably shouldn't drink orange juice and then Colgate. Wink wink. Oh. Objective, you know what to do. So I think, do I get another achievement? Yes, so I've gotten the breakfast achievement. So now, what is that? So now, da 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 da. I wish there was a Rick Astley one. If there was a Rick Astley one, I could go. Never gonna give you up. No. I've been Rick-rolled many times. Bristol one achievement is for going in the employees only store bit. I wonder what's down there anyway. Looks like a plain dead end street. Ah, where'd the car go? Probably because I stepped on it. What, are you getting a snack? Literally the only food you have is ice cream that you can't pick up. And raw, well, you have to buy eggs raw, but eggs. Let's wait this. I'm not actually wait this time. Are you ready? Watch what happens if you shoplift. Get ready to be scared. Boo. Anyway, I only got one more achievement. This game is actually harder than you think. So let's see if I... Let's see if this is actually... Let's see if I'm gonna... It's going faster than I thought it would. Already a quarter of the way, so... I think I should be able to do this in about a minute. There we go. We're 2/4 of the way. Oop. Getting ready for half. Just another half left to go. I'm going to another helicopter outside my window. Or is it a motorbike? Because it just stopped. Who knows? I'm not letting my finger go. My finger hurts. And I hope that this is a ending. Because I'm nearly there. My finger aches and hurts. The gun requires 100 cash to pick up. Why didn't you tell me first? So let's somehow I'm going to turn on all the lights in the house, except for the one in the bathroom, and see if that is a ending. Congratulations. Oh no, I can't close it. No. Welcome back. I'm gonna throw away everything in the store. That's just his voice sound. For some reason you can hear his voice when he just does the dot 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 thing. That means he's not talking. So yeah, it gets quite annoying. I don't remember having this music before. Anyway, before I throw away the globe, the orb. Before I throw away the orb, I just want to show you how much money it is. Let's place the item. Look how much that is. I will take a screenshot so you can see. Look at that. I mean, like, wow. Just wow. In fact, let's actually, I'm gonna be a bit cheeky. Go. In fact, no, we'll cross that all out. Let's cross that all out, and we'll put, we'll put £1. £1. Okay. Alright then. Let's pick up the orb. Let's just... I can make this my wallpaper, can't I? Make that my wallpaper. It's nearly his break. Less than a minute. Let's wait for his break time. Let's actually see if we can do anything by staying in, if it will do anything by staying in the shop. Well, it's his break time. Oh, just 10 seconds left. Look at the clock. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And it's his break time. that he's shot at him on his brain. Oh, I forgot. I threw away everything. Wait, now he's on break. Now he's on break. No! No! No, it's minus 100 degrees Celsius. This is the ending I was trying to show you earlier. So now, freezer. Just a lumpy square block. How weird. I'm still in my school uniform. Let's see if I can talk to the sewer yet. Sorry about that. Sorry about that clicking noise if you can hear it. It's just my fingernails on the screen. You won't even talk to me. Oh. He's actually still talking. My inventory, nothing. Let's see if I can talk to the sewers yet. Don't talk to the sewers. Let's just prepare 8 soda cans. The reason why I'm opening the fridge is because I want to see what happens if you leave it open for too long. Will you get a, will you get an achievement? So the achievement I'm going for at the moment is this one here. So now go back. No, so we don't have that much now. Just buy a little soda, definitely for myself. Alright. Anyway, let's give the machine 2 out of 8. So it's going to give me a soda machine. Oops! Oh no, I forgot.